Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome to the third devlog for curling in the dungeon. In the past month, I couldn't work on the game too much, but I still was able to add some new amazing stuff. And the biggest stuff I added are relics. In many games they are called differently, but essentially they are special items that help you become stronger. They all have passive effects like receiving more gold, dealing more damage, etc. But first, we need a way to obtain them actually. At the beginning, you could receive normal items only from chests, and then you could also get one random item after the fight. But the random items you received were, well, random. So they weren't necessarily always useful, and only chests gave you the choice to choose the item you want. But there weren't many of them on the map, so I've decided to change that system a little bit. I made that you receive only coins from fights, and after every fight you get a chest and can choose the item you'd like. Fine, but what about the relics then? Do you find them in chests? Yes and no. The system is pretty much the same as for the items, with the only difference that you receive them not from normal fights but from elite fights. Elite fights are less common, which is good since we don't want the relics to be that easily accessible, but the elite fights are also harder. Now when you plan your journey, you have more choice on deciding your way. In any place you could decide if you want to get a new better item, or maybe receive more coins and fight a cool relic, but there is a possibility that you will lose more HP. Coming back to chest rooms, you can still encounter them, but they appear very rarely, for example right before the boss fight. The relics can be found in such rooms too, but in caskets instead of chests. So maybe it's time to talk about the relics themselves. You know how and where to get them, now let's see what makes them special. But first, a quick word from my sponsor, myself. If you like the game, please don't forget to wishlist it on Steam. Thank you guys. As said before, the relics provide passive effects to help you during or even outside fights. I'll describe some of them to give an idea of what they do. For example, the picklock gives you one more item in chest to choose from. A maple leaf heals 10% of your health after the fight. The candle adds 1 burning to the enemies you attack that have shields, or a belt gives you 1 strength every third round. There are also more crazy relics too, that both give some advantages and disadvantages. For example, with the feather you can be weakened, but you also can be strengthened. I added some improvements and effects too. One of them is the nice tilt effect for cards and items. I loved how it looks in Balatro and decided I need to add it to my game. More movement always helps in more static games. I've added tooltips to status effects so you could check what they actually do, and a simple tutorial for now. In the future I would like to add a more complex and interactive one, but at the moment at least it should be enough. If you're curious what you'll see in the next devlog, I want to work on adding NPCs and other rooms. Since the beginning I have the shopkeeper and healer rooms placed on the map, but they were never functional and it's time to change it. Also, I have some cool ideas for NPCs features, so don't miss the next devlog. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time!